Watch your L2 over here. You can see at 1.17, there's a big wall hold up at 12,000 shares ready to be sold at 1.17, which is right here. So this is the type of thing that I would mark on my screen as major level of resistance. Do you guys see it off my L2? Let me
Yeah.
drop.
Yes,
So,
sir.
so this is what we're watching for right there. Now, when we're doing this, this just gives us a decent idea of, hey, where are people sitting at, right? Just like you can see buyers are sitting at 0.95. So there's a lot of buyers sitting at 9.5. Well, why does that matter to you as the stock's going up? Because if this sells back and starts to come back down, you want to know where support is, right? So if you look at the L2 at 9.5 and it's small, but there's 2,000 a 2000 order basically sitting at 9.5. What that means is if I look at 9.5 right here, there's a lot of people sitting right here for support. Okay. Now, do you see why I said to collect up here in the clouds up here at this dollar 15?
Yes, sir.
So we know at $1.17 there's going to be a wall. And don't we always want to get out before we get to the wall? Because if everybody knows where the wall is, don't you want to be the first to jump?
Yeah, I wish I would have gotten in there when I
Yep.
called it out at 95.
Yeah, absolutely. This is isn't this the one though that I added to you guys at, it is,
Yes, sir.
yeah, 807. Yep.
Yep, I picked it up.
Yep. I saw some volume going in there like out of nowhere. I didn't see any news either when this happened. I just saw news from a while ago. So right here again, if we're in this move, right, and you're still like, oh, coach said to collect, but I'm not going to listen because I'm going to go rogue. Okay. Then you want to make sure it stays above 1.051, right? So 1.051. That's this line I've got marked here. You need this to stay above this line to still be bullish, right? If you didn't want to collect when this had this big super spike. So as long as it stays up there, that's the channel. So if we all look at this channel, this is a channel now, okay? So as long as it stays in here, we're still bullish. If it drops below, nada at all. If this can break 117, you guys are going to get a nice massive pop here. Anytime you see that big push down, if it comes back down here to test 1.051 and it does hold, these sellers will most likely leave and then start to make the move back up above. If it happens right away. If it doesn't, if this does not come right back to 1.17 fast, it's just going to pull right back down here to where we had it before, which is 0.9642. See it? This has to make a move fast. Otherwise, people will get scared, especially in pre-market, and they'll bail out early. So if this can reverse quick, this will make another push to the upside and start to really get some volume. Well, here's what you need to know. This is the only thing you need to be watching for. Pull back on your 1 minute candle. I've already got it marked here. You see this at 590?
Yes, sir.
That's your rock bottom. See it?
Yes, sir.
And actually, since it's touched it multiple times, it's 586. Under 586, AMD crashes. See it?
Right.
Now, it could pull, scare the life out of everyone, recharge and run up. But I'm telling you from the looks of this, if this touches back down here again, which would be a triple bottom, and it can't hold, it's lights out. But if it can
Bye,
hold,
baby.
if it can hold though, you've got a long charge back up here, right?